Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. Today we are going to have a grammar and vocabulary lesson together. Let's start with the grammar part. As you see on the chart, the suffix we are going to use is l, li, lu, or lü, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. We are going to add this suffix to the country name. And on the right, you can see the person pronouns and the person pronoun suffixes. The first sentence is, where are you from? A question sentence. Where are you from? Let's try to write it. Where is nere? The root of this question word is nere. From is normally in Turkish the suffix dendan or ten-tan. But in this context, from is l, li, lu, or lü. So, from where, nereli, and you as the person pronoun suffix to the end, sim. Where are you from? Nerelisin. And the answer is, I'm from Turkey. Turkey is Türkiye. From Turkey, Türkiyeli. I am from Turkey, Türkiyeliyim. The person pronoun suffix in the end. But two vowels cannot be together, so I need a buffer letter between them. Türkiyeliyim. I'm from Turkey, Türkiyeliyim. Another example. Where are you from? But this time you plural. Where, nere. From where, nereli. You plural. Person pronoun suffix, siniz. Where are you from? Nerelisiniz? And the answer is, we are from Romania. Let's try to write it. Romania is Romanya. From Romania, Romanyalı. We are from Romania, Romanyalıyız. Two vowels cannot be together. We need a buffer letter between them. Romanyalıyız. We are from Romania, Romanyalıyız. So we are just writing the country name. After the country name, adding the suffix l, li, lu, lü, and in the end, adding the person pronoun suffix. Now let's see how we produce language names from nationalities. First, we need to know the name of the nationality, and after that, we need to add the suffix ja, je, cha, or che, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony and also consonant alternation. Let's see an example. Do you speak Turkish? This is the question. But in Turkish, we don't say, do you speak Turkish? Actually, we say, do you know Turkish? Instead of the verb speak, we use know. Also, we use continuous tense. So literally, we ask the question as, are you knowing Turkish? Instead of do you speak Turkish, we say, are you knowing Turkish? So let's try to write it. Turkish as a nationality is Türk. When I add the suffix çe, Türkçe, it becomes the language. Know, bil, knowing, biliyor. Mu is the question suffix, and sun is the person pronoun suffix in the end. So do you speak Turkish? Türkçe biliyor musun? And the answer is yes, I speak Turkish a little bit. But we are going to write it as I am knowing Turkish a little bit. Let's write it. Yes, evet. A little bit, biraz, biraz. Turkish as a nationality, Türk. With the suffix Türkçe is the language. Know, bil, knowing, biliyor. I am knowing, biliyorum. Yes, I speak Turkish a little bit. Evet, biraz Türkçe biliyorum. Let's see another example. Do you speak Italian? But we are going to write it as, are you knowing Italian? So, Italian as a nationality is Italian. With the suffix già, Italian language is Italianca. know, bil, knowing, biliyor. The question suffix biliyor mu and are you knowing, biliyor musunuz? Because the personal pronoun suffix is the plural you. So do you speak Italian? İtalyanca biliyor musunuz? And the answer is no, we don't speak Italian, but we are going to write it as no. We are not knowing Italian. So no, hayır. Italian as the nationality Italian. With the suffix, the language Italian is İtalyanca. Know, bil. Not know, bilme, the negativity. Not knowing, bilmiyor. We are not knowing, bilmiyoruz. No, we don't speak Italian. Hayır, İtalyanca bilmiyoruz. So for the languages, you need to know the nationality, and after that you are going to add the suffix ca, ce, or cha, che to that nationality for producing the language name. All right, so this is the grammar part of the lesson. Now let's continue with the vocabulary part. We are going to learn the nationality, language, and the country, and how to say from that country. The first example is Türk is the nationality. With the suffix çe, Türkçe is the language. And the country is Türkiye. From that country, Türkiyeli. Türk, Türkçe, Türkiyeli. Another one. English is İngiliz as the nationality. With the suffix, the language English is İngilizce, and the country England is İngiltere. From that country, İngiltereli. Another one. French as the nationality is Fransız. With the suffix, Fransızca is the language. The country France is Fransa. From that country, Fransalı. Another one. The nationality is Italian. But the language with the suffix ca, İtalyanca. The country is Italia, Italy, Italia. From that country, İtalyalı. Nationality Spanish is İspanyol. The language Spanish is İspanyolca. The country Spain is İspanya, and from that country, İspanyalı. Another one. German as the nationality is Alman. The language German is Almanca. The country Germany is Almanya, and from that country, Almanyalı. Another one. Romanian is Roman. And the language Romanian is Romance, and the country Romania is Romanya, and from that country, Romanyalı. Another one. Hungarian as a nationality is Macar in Turkish, and the language Hungarian is Macarca. The country Hungary is Macaristan, and from that country, Macaristanlı. Another one. Yunan is the Greek as nationality, and the language Greek is Yunanca. The country Greece is Yunanistan. From that country, Yunanistanlı. Let's continue. Russian is Rus as the nationality, and the language Russian is Rusça. The country Russia is Rusya, and from that country, Rusyalı. And nationality Japanese is Japon in Turkish. The language Japanese is Japonca, and the country Japan is Japonya. From that country, Japonyalı. Another one. The nationality Korean is Koreli, and the language Korean is Korece, and the country, Korea, is Kore, and from that country, Koreli. As you see, the nationality and from that country is the same this time. Some of the examples will be like this. Another one. Chinese in Turkish as a nationality is Çinli. The language Chinese is Çince, and the country China is Çin. From that country, Çinli. Another similar one. Indian as the nationality is Hintli. The language Indian is Hintçe, and the country India is Hindistan. From that country, Hindistanlı. Another one. Pakistani as the nationality is Pakistanlı, and the language is Urduca, and the country is Pakistan. From that country, Pakistanlı. Another one. The nationality Iranian is İranlı. The language is Farsça. The country is Iran. From that country, İranlı. Another one. The nationality Arab is Arap, and the language Arabic is Arapça, and any country that Arabs live, in this example is Iraq, is Irak. From that country, Iraklı. And lastly, Georgian as a nationality is Gürcü, and the language is Gürcüce. The country Georgia is Gürcistan, and from that country, Gürcistanlı. All right, friends, these are some of the nationalities, languages, and the country names in Turkish. If you have any questions about this lesson, please write them in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, and hope to see you in our following lessons. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.